So what's next for Solana? Is it really going to recover, or is it going to end up crashing to the bottom? That's a very big question of what's going to happen and where it's going to happen. If you guys want to be kept up more to date like this and more content, be sure to smash some like buttons, because today we're going to be looking at everything that ICP and Solana is going to do. Basically, Solana has been seeing so many great updates this year, and that is because more people are actually focusing on keeping it real with Solana, keeping it long term in a sense. And I am very hopeful for Solana's price updates in this sense, because they really have been developing during the bear markets. They've been getting a ton of hate when Sam Bankman-Fried went down. It wasn't really their fault in a sense. Like, they didn't really cause the price crashes, right? But here we go. Now it's back. Now it's on the track to recovery. And it's really what keeps me looking forward to it. It's really what keeps everyone excited. Solana really does have that potential because it's a layer 2 blockchain. And with low fees, once we get a massive influx of people like 2021, there is going to be a very, very, very high majority of people coming in saying, hey, I want into Solana, get me in, get me all excited. And that's going to be the big key factor that really keeps a lot of people hyped up about it. There's going to be a ton of potential, ton of new price action, tons of new stuff for Solana. So that's going to be great news in that sense. But in that terms, I definitely do think right now we are going to be seeing more content or more basically news happening for Solana, because I am suspecting they have something huge to reveal. Once the ETFs get listed, maybe they have a massive update that maybe Ethereum doesn't have. That's why it could flip a lot of these coins. Maybe not Ethereum, because it would literally need to 10x in that sense in the short term. But in the long term, it really does have that unpredictability. And that's why the whales keep buying. That's why everyone keeps buying in that sense.
Community, it's updating the initial code and releasing updates to the ecosystem as well. So Near Protocol, certainly one to watch, very similar to what Solana's building. And as I mentioned, a $3.3 billion market cap right now. Now, the next one up is ranked in the top 35. So Near was ranked number 24 in the top 25. Aptos is in the top 35. That's right, Aptos. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Aptos.
So this is the big thing that they really revealed, this Aptos token. Basically, that's one thing that really keeps people like hooked to Solana, because Solana really relies on a large trading volume. And once it has that trading volume, that's where really people come in and buy it. And well, Solana has all these type of blockchain projects that keep people at bay.
There was with DM, okay? What made Solana so interesting and so unique is how it kind of burst on the scene out of nowhere, right? And then obviously took off when a community was born behind it. Aptos is very similar in that regard. It has the VC backing. It has the big money, the deep pocket.
So yeah, the reason why Solana also grew is because blockchains are very expensive, and they had a huge VC backing. Basically had a lot of large investors come in, throw the cash at them and say, get me a great product and let me sell and give you some of these tokens, right? And that's exactly what they did. They ended up making a bank with it. They ended up making like 1,000, 10,000x. A lot of VCs, they plant, basically they're angel investors. They plant all their money in different projects. And here's where Solana really has that potential to stay strong.
Trust-based programming language, independently developed by Meta. That's right, formerly Facebook. They have adopted the idea. They've kept a lot of the same money and the VC backing, and they have developed a layer 1 that, in my opinion, burst on the scene like Solana. Now it's kind of just quiet as we enter this next bull run. It could certainly be one to keep your eyes on. So again, Near Protocol and Aptos are my two cryptos that have Solana-type potential in 2024 and 2025.
So he called Aptos and Meta really like the sleeping giants, the ones that couldn't perform well. But these are really... So why I like Solana is because it has a lot of sub projects, so it has a lot of smaller projects in that sense. As we are seeing right now, there is, people basically staying in crypto longer term. And during the bear market, they're not going to buy these smaller cryptos. But with Solana coming in, I am definitely excited. I'm definitely pretty cool about it. So that is awesome, awesome stuff in that way. Right now, crypto is growing up, and it is cool in a sense. It is really incredible that Solana is basically seeing massive price hikes, because also if the other projects do good, people are going to start buying the Solana token for gas fees. So if you guys want more content like this, you know what to do. The like button is right there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace everyone.